So I finally fixed my 1.6 TDCi Peugeot Partner engine rattle, and I have done quite a few videos on that. I even put these two brackets here, that one here, and you can see the video here, and that helped for a little bit. The main problem is that these heat shields, the aluminum heat shields, really rattle, and there is a specific problem. So if I go underneath the car, you'll see what the problem is. So the aluminum heat shields is two parts, so that the inner one and the outer one, that's towards the front of the car. This is not connected to anything, so this one in the middle, you probably can't quite see, it's a bolt, but what happens, this always breaks, and I replaced these. This is my second set of aluminum heat shields, and they always break at this particular location here, the bolt here that connects to the engine. So let me see if you can see it. Let me move this aside. So this is, it connect, there is a bracket here, there is a bolt, and this is inside, it connects to the inner of the engine, and you can see they always break here. I mean, I don't think you can see it, but they always break around here. So what happens when you drive, these just, hopefully you can hear it. I mean, it's not that exacerbated, but now that I move it, but while the engine is running, this really sounds like a tractor, and I found the perfect solution for that. And the solution is this metal bracket. This is it. You can view it, it's almost square, little bracket, and I've had this bracket, and I'll show you where you can install it. I have driven with this, that's why it's rusty. Actually it wasn't rusty to begin with. I have driven with it for 2 years, and this sounds like quiet as a whisper. I mean, I haven't had any rattle whatsoever. So you have this bracket like that. You remove that bolt here, which is Torx T30, which separates the two heat shields. Then you undo that bolt, which holds just a bracket, is bolted to the engine and holds a bracket for this sensor, nothing else actually, which is a 15mm socket. And then you put your bracket in, the smaller bit in that bolt and the other bit in down there. Hope you can see it. Screw in that bolt and then the Torx T30 in between. So what happens now is, no matter how much you shake it, and I'm trying to really shake it, this inner bit, the inner heat shield, doesn't really move because it's bolted to the engine. So they both move the same way. So the heat shields and the engine move the same way. They're connected to the same thing. So this just creates the same bolt here, bolted to this bracket that always breaks. This always breaks at that particular place. So this is nowhere to go, and this is extremely quiet now. I mean, I have driven this for 2 years and I haven't had a single whisper. The simple bracket that they probably should have installed, well, okay, I have a little bit that is sticking here, but it's a perfect rattle removal for the 1.6 TDCi engine. Enjoy. If you have any comments, let me know. Try it. I mean, I can give you the dimensions of that. Okay, I'll give some dimensions, but there is some angle here that I could have put this up here and like a square angle, but I didn't do it. I did it like by hand, this 2-3mm metal. Thank you very much indeed for watching. Hope you enjoyed that video.